Europe faces a challenging security landscape. Russia's actions have changed the game. Moscow's military buildup in the Arctic and High North is a major concern. This region is strategically important. It holds vast natural resources and crucial shipping routes. Russia's increasing militarization raises alarms across Europe. NATO members are responding. They are strengthening their presence in the region. The Arctic is no longer a peaceful frontier. It is now a potential flashpoint. The melting ice cap opens up new possibilities, but it also creates new risks. Russia is keen to assert its dominance. It is deploying advanced weaponry and expanding its military infrastructure in the region. This worries its neighbors. They see it as a threat to their security and interests. In response to these shared concerns, the UK and Norway have taken a significant step. On February 20th, 2025, they announced a new defence pact. This strategic agreement aims to bolster security in the North Atlantic and the High North. The UK Defence Secretary, John Healey, met with his Norwegian counterpart, Tore Sandvik, at the Norwegian Joint Headquarters. This location near Bodo is significant. It lies above the Arctic Circle, highlighting the pact's focus. This agreement signals a deepening of the already strong UK-Norway relationship. It builds on a long history of cooperation. Both countries are committed NATO members. They are both deeply concerned by Russia's aggressive actions. This new agreement is a clear demonstration of their resolve. They are sending a message. They will stand together to defend their interests and uphold the rules-based international order. The new defence partnership has several key components. It will enhance cooperation between the UK and Norwegian armed forces. This includes increased joint military training. They will conduct exercises in challenging Arctic conditions. The pact also focuses on protecting critical undersea infrastructure. This includes undersea cables that are vital for communication and energy. These cables are vulnerable to sabotage. The UK and Norway will deploy high-tech monitoring systems to safeguard them. Maritime security in the Baltic Sea is another priority. This region has seen increased Russian military activity. The UK and Norway will work together under NATO's Operation Baltic Sentry. This operation aims to deter aggression and maintain freedom of navigation. The UK contributes to this operation with maritime surveillance aircraft. The partnership will bolster these efforts. The UK-Norway Defence Pact is a game-changer for European security. It strengthens NATO's northern flank. This region is increasingly important in the face of Russian aggression. The pact sends a clear message of deterrence to Moscow. It also demonstrates the commitment of both nations to collective defence. The UK and Norway are sending a powerful signal. They will stand united against any threat. This partnership is not just about military hardware. It is about shared values and a common vision for a secure and stable Europe. The UK and Norway are both strong democracies. They believe in the rule of law and the importance of international cooperation. This pact is a testament to their shared commitment to these values. It is a partnership that will help to ensure peace and security in Europe for years to come.